How to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can manage end-to-end encryption settings in Messenger application on your iOS or Android device, allowing you to adjust your privacy preferences. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open your Messenger application and then you gotta click on menu at the bottom right. After that, you gotta head over, click on settings. And here you gotta click on privacy and safety. So simply click on it. And here you'll be able to see an option under security end-to-end encrypted chats. So simply click on it. And over here, you gotta click on message storage. You can see it's on right now. So simply click on it. And if you wish to turn it off, you gotta simply click on turn off secure storage. Click on turn off again. And once you do so, you'll be able to see that your end-to-end encryption has been removed. So that is basically how you can remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.